Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic learning curve, this is second comprehensive numerical problem. Assume that the first unit of a very special product takes 15 labor hours to produce and the learning rate is 74%. How many units should at least be produced to reduce the time per unit to 6 hours or less? So here A is given as 15 hours. Then learning percentage is given as 74%, which is 0.74. Then Y value is given as 6 hours or less. So we'll consider 6 hours. So we have the learning curve model as A x to the power of B. So first of all, what is B? B is logarithm of 0.74 divided by logarithm of 2. That means B is, we have to find out logarithm of 0.74. Then it will be divided by 0.301, which is logarithm of 2. Okay. Now, let us find out to find logarithm of 0.74 using regular calculator. So first we have to type 0.74 in the regular calculator. Then square root symbol we have to press 12 times. When we do that, we get a result as 0.99993. Then we need to subtract it with 1. If we do that, we get negative 0.00007. The result will be multiplied with 4096. Then we will get negative 0.3011. This particular result, whatever we got, it is logarithm of 0.74 to the base e. Now we want logarithm of 0.74 to the base 10. That is obtained by either multiplying this logarithm of 0.74 to the base e with logarithm of 0.74 to the base e. We'll multiply this with 0.4343. Either you multiply with 0.4343 or you divide by 2.3026. Both are one and the same. So that if I substitute negative 3.3011 multiplied by 0.4343, we will get the result as negative 0.1308. So that means our B value will be negative 0.1308 divided by 0.301. We will get the B value as minus 0.4344. So we'll come back to now this Y is equal to, therefore, Y is equal to A. A value is 15. Then we don't know X. We need to find out. But we know Y, no? Y is 6 hours. So let me rewrite that. So I can say 6 is equal to 15 multiplied by x to the power of negative 0.43 W4, which means 6 by 15 is x to the power minus 0.43 W4. 6 by 15, we will get 0.4. Now taking logarithm on both sides, logarithm of 0.4 is equal to minus 0.4344 times logarithm of x. Now we need to find logarithm of 4. Instead of applying that regular calculator, we will do like this. Logarithm of 4.4 can be written as 4 by 10 is equal to negative 0.4344 logarithm of x. So this is nothing but logarithm of 4 minus log 10 is equal to negative 0.4344 times log x. Log 4 can be written as log 2 square, which is nothing but 2 log 2. Log 10 is 1 and it is equal to minus 0.4344 times logarithm of x. We have the value of log 2, which is 0.301 minus 1 is equal to negative 0.4344 times logarithm of x. Now, this will be in the left hand side, it will work out to negative 0.398 is equal to negative 0.4344 times logarithm of x, which means log x will be 0.398. Negative negative gets cancelled on both sides. 0.4344. If we divide these two, we will get 0.9162. That means our x value will be anti-log of 0.9162. We need to find anti-log. So for that, in regular calculator, anti-log of 0.9162. First, we will type that 9.9162 in the regular calculator. Then we have to multiply it by 0.0000. One more zero means 5 zeros, 44. If we do that, we get the result as 0.000004. Then we have to add 1. We get 1.000004. Then we will press multiplication and equality sign 19 times. What do we get? 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 8.24 approx. So this x is 8.24, which is rounded up to 9 units. That will be the solution for this particular question.